Alright, so it looks like my stream wasn't on that during that time I was trading. I've taken 5 trades so far. Overall, I'm still break even. But yeah, I hit start stream. Apparently, I double clicked and hit end stream at the same time too. Nothing really happening so far. Watch this seller at 83. There's 6. Green at 97. Can we break 6 here? $96.02. There's 98. 608 is the spot. Break a 606. And at 602. Out at 606. 608 actually. Got a nice fill on that. 609's the high. False breakout. I'm glad we got out. Watch this as it go lower. 75. Starter at 86. Can watch for this and add over 6. Out at 96 in case it rejects 6. High day still 630, not or 630. Big buyer at 95. In at 95, 99. Try to get out at 90 or 605. Out at 95 for small, 40-cent loss. $75 was the previous low. Then 65 and 50. And at 60, watch break a 6. Watch this over 6. Volume's picking up on this dip. See if we can get into the 90s. There's 90. 10 seconds in this candle. And at there we go. 990 or 590. So there's 96. Buyers at 90. 92, 93, 95. So 87 by 91. There's 93. Green going through. Watch 96, 98. There's the break out at 603. So this should go, or it pulls back and it's gonna sell off. I think if it gets back into the 80s, it's not gonna look good for a breakout. Watching this halt on drug. Should resume in 10 seconds. And at 93 for break of 2. Out at 88. Fire there. And at 96, watch break of 2. Watch break of 2 here. Adding at 98. Here's break of 2. There's 210. Can we get over 210 to 220? Next halt level is 222. Order out to sell half at 204. High, this candle's 211, 210. There's the break. Now watch 220. 216 is the high. Out the rest at 203, 202. Now watching this, see if we can make a new high. 215, 216. Watch this hold 2. Sellers, big buyer at 15. And at 33. Watch 36 for the halt. Have my order at 240 in case the halt level moves up. I'm gonna sell my order at 36. Not sure about this gapping. I'll trade the resumption. So drugs on watch. Wet egg. 1050. Put 5 shares here. This should resume in 1 second. Watch the dip below 10. It's up. There's the pullback. This doesn't look good anymore, unless we can get back over 50. The spreads on this are quite insane. I'm gonna go 3 shares instead. And at 58, watching 60 and 80. There's 65, watch 80. Selling at 1014, taking the dollar loss. There's the dip. And at 10:06, out there. So I gave back $3 on WEDIC. I don't like it's not moving with volume like drug was. BWV flushed below VWAP. So we'll watch drug resumption. Resumption in 2 minutes. One minute till resumption. Actually, this is the resumption, I think. Yeah. No, I'm wrong. It's 58. My bad. Watching resumption here, 15 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. At 2:16. Watch 2:20. There's 2:30. So we're in at 31. Watch this back over 50. There's 250. Now watch 75. There's 60, 63, 64. Watch 80, 85. Out at 32, break even. Getting risk check failed because I keep on putting my orders too high. And at 70. Out at 75. Scalping it now. And at 65. Out at 70. And at 77. Out at 85. at 80. Actually got in at 85. Shoot. Out at 78, small loss there. Got filled high. Watch the dip here, it's 260. 262's low there. Watch 50. Buyer at 57. Dip to 53. View ups at 233. Watch those sellers at 75. There's 52. Do we break 50 here? Seller pressure. Watch the breakdown of 50 here. Is it going to break 50? No. High of that candle was 75. High of this candle 74. There's 75. I don't want to get in at 75 and have it come back down to 50. Just wait 1 second here. 290 is the highs. Low of this candle's 52. And at 70 here. Watching the break of 70, 75. Watch green at 68. Green at 68, 70. There's 67 on the ask. $69. 70 is the high of this candle. Big buyer at 60. Seller at 70. Can we see green through 70? There's 62 by 65. Green at 65. There's 69. Watch 70, 75. Out at 73. Uh, 9 EMAs at 247. View ups at 240. So we hit 56 there. Size back down to 10 shares because we're not halting anymore. And at 72, we're gonna go with smaller size. Out at 62. Built big seller there at 70. Now watch this dip below 50. Dip to 43 maybe. Big seller at 70. Is it gonna go? Will the selling pressure be too much? And at 68, late fill. Out at 69, break even. It's kind of going sideways in this area right here. Between 52 and 75. It's a pretty big range for a $2 stock. BWV halting down again. And there's 75 out at 85. Nice $1 scalp. Watching this, there's the break of highs. And at 3 or 299. Watch break of 3. There we go. Nice trade there. And at 16. Hollow moved up to 35. Sold half at 30. Is it going to get locked in at 35? Out at 30. In there 35 for the break of 50. All at 35. Watch 34 and 35. There's 25 on the ask. 26, there's 30. Watch 30. Green at 29. There's 20. Gonna get out at 18. Just gonna take the loss. I don't feel like it's gonna dip lower here probably. 305. Low there was 11. So get back $1.50 on that loss. And that was with 10 shares, so we're up 230% on drug. There's 40. At 40, out of 42. Watch break of 50. And at 40, oh, big seller at 30. There's 25. Out at 15. Big seller at 16. So we're back down to 10, 16. We'll go really small size now. I don't like the big sellers stepping in. That's not good for it. AXDX. No, not enough volume there. BRSH is actually getting ready to do its VWAP curl. BRSH over 250. So at 40 there, move up to 50. Watch the break at 50. Sellers at 50. Watch the break. There's the break. 71. Out at 62. And we're back below 50. If we can see 60. 56. Watch 60. Out at 50. It's not holding 50. Good thing we got out. It's another 20, 30 cent dip. BWV is getting crushed. It's down to 420 from 620. Watch BRSH for break of 50. And at 50 on BRSH. So we're watching this. 55 will add. So there's 52, watch 53 and 54. We'll add at 55. Watch those sellers at 54. Back below 50. Out there, taking a $1.30 loss on BRSH. Flushed down. So it broke view up, was holding above it for a minute, and then flushed back down. So that's off the watch list. Back on DRUG. Not seeing anything on my health scanner. I get the feeling this is gonna dip lower, like 305, 306. Can't even see the halt level up. Watch this 290, 290, and at 298. Watch 310, 311. Order out at 309. Got filled, perfect dip. Could have held longer. Honestly, we should have held higher, or should have held longer since this just perfectly bounced off the 20. Ugh. So we're back up to 40 almost. So seller stepping in at 30. Watch 35. In at 30. 35 and 40. Sellers at 40. Got filled half. Watch those sellers at 40 break. Buyers at 31, 30. They're breaking down, getting out. The rest of my position break even. Now watch 40. Watching those sellers at 40. This candle, oop, sellers, buyers at 30. They're gone now. So this could dip down to 20. Strange. If we do curl up, we need to see the sellers at 40 need a break. They're still there probably. They might have moved it down to 35. Buyers at 26. So the buyers aren't really holding up, but the sellers are. So there's pretty intense selling pressure. Watch 32. 34 sellers. High this candle is 40. In ENG at 210. It's a flat top breakout. 210. Watch 215. Has room up to 224. So seller at 12. Can't break 12. Buyer at 15 on drug. Seller at 230. Order at 95 on ENG to sell the loss. 93. It's really dipping down. Big buyer at 74. Out. Wow, get back at 650 on that trade. Get back half on ENG. Look at this dip. Look at this. It's nasty. I got caught in 2 trades like that today. I'll have to look at it. They're the exact same trade pretty much. Break a VWAP fail. I'll watch that back today. Order's gonna be out at 92 on drug. Pusa, seller at 410. Big seller at 305. Had a low of 94 there. At 22, watch 25. $13. High, this candle's 24. 15 seconds left in the candle. Seller's at 16. Are we gonna see green at 16? There's 18, 19. $15 sellers. Broke over sellers at 15. There's 18. Looking to sell half for a loss at 17. Sold half at 15. Rest out at 10. Alright, I think I have to call it here just because we gave back so much. Have no. Yeah, we're gonna have to call it here. We gave back like $10 on those last two trades. So, see right there, these two trades. Gave back $10. Gonna call it here. Still green. Still green is good. Gonna review today's trades later tonight. But green is good. I'm glad we're stopping before it becomes something terrible. I'm unhappy with the fact that we did give back half. This trade on ENG should never have happened. So I'm gonna go look at that. Especially. Other than that, good luck out there. I'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, I believe. Today's Thursday. Yeah, tomorrow's Friday, so we'll be trading tomorrow and then the weekend.